Tesla's 50,000th supercharger is a special one. Tesla recently installed its 50,000th supercharging stall, and as it turns out, it's not an ordinary dispenser. The company recently shared a few photos of the Jubilee charging stall, which is all red instead of the standard white and red. Also, the paint color is different than the standard red. It appears to be the ultra red that is used on the Model S Model X. Additionally, near the bottom of the dispenser, there is a label number 50,000. Tesla did not reveal where the supercharger was installed, besides saying that it is somewhere in the world. But Tesla's NACS charging connector indicated that it's probably in North America. Tesla enthusiasts quickly figured out the location, which is California Roseville in the Sacramento area. We also found a video from the site, shared by Tesla owners Silicon Valley. The location is 1851 Freedom Way, Roseville, California. We guess that at least for a brief period of time, it might become quite busy, as many Tesla drivers in the area will likely visit the site. There are no signs that the special charging stall differs from the ordinary ones in terms of power output or charging cost. It should be a typical 250 kilowatt unit. With 50,000 supercharging stalls and well over 5,000 stations globally, the network is the largest one among all fast charging networks. The rate of new installations is also pretty high, which means that the network is expected to remain the largest one in the near future. In the coming years, superchargers will be gradually more and more accessible to non-Tesla electric vehicles. Through a non-Tesla supercharging pilot program and the switch to Tesla's NACS charging connector in North America by other manufacturers. At the same time, charging companies and other EV manufacturers are also working on their charging networks. Which means that there will be a variety and competition on many levels. From charging power including support of high-voltage battery systems, prices, locations, reliability, and amenities. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.